the sky, feel the breeze kiss my face. Sunsets painting waves so high, heartbeats join in nature's race. Dancing shadows in the sand, that goes with the ocean's roar. Shells and stars go hand in hand, feel the power at the shore. Oh, we're riding sunset waves, waves, laughing as the seagulls sing. Every moment that we save makes us kings and queens of spring. Whispers of the salty air fill our lungs, fuel the fire. Waves like giants with no care take us higher and higher.
Okay, everybody, we're back at it.
Good morning. Evening.
Evening still,
Good
yeah.
evening. It's only 11:20. What?
Just to give
Good
you
evening.
guys, yeah, good evening, man. Give you guys an update. Yeah, we're hitting the, let's say, from the high tide or complete highs here. I think just before 2, eh?
Yeah, it's 01:43.
Yeah, so it's only just past 11 o'clock now. So we're on our way to Macassar, and we should be there by, let's say, 12 o'clock. And then, yeah, I'll get everything ready and start gearing up, baiting up, and getting ready to cast in. So yeah, we're taking you guys on this adventure. We're pretty excited. We haven't seen you guys for a while. I think it's been 3 weeks now, 2 weeks or 3 weeks since we last fished. So yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this one, and yeah, we'll check in with you once we're there. And yeah, it's going to be a bit dark because we're fishing now from 11 till tomorrow morning, let's say, yeah, by 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, we're not sure yet. And yeah, then we're going to call it quits. So hopefully we're lucky. Let's see, maybe something comes out. And yeah, thanks for joining.
Oceans rise, tides they sway, hopes the rising leads the way. Feel the rush and hear the play. In this moment we won't stray.
Okay, we have Etienne that's on. Let's see what it is.
Feels like it.
It feels like it. Come on, my man, you can do it. Bring in the, not the ocean plug, we need a big fish. Let's see there, here it comes, here it comes. There's something on there, definitely. Ah man, it seems like a barbel again, can you believe it? But at least it's resolved, my friend, and we were just talking about it, and you said, please, you don't need another barbel. Anyway, it is what it is. And yeah, first fish of the day. There's Mr. Barbel, can you believe it? Ay, 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 ay. But anyway, at least it's resolved. Okay, he's on again. We suspecting it's another barbel, but yeah, let's not hope it is, but we think it is definitely a barbel, yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, another barbel, can you believe it? Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, Etienne says he's so fed up with these barbels, they must go home. But yeah, another one, can you believe it? Anyway, let's take it off the hook and release it.
Ja, Wayne, in die Bybelse tyd het hulle gepraat van toring van Babel. Ek dink ek is nou die koning van Babel.
Ja, nee, ek weet nie wat vanoggend aangaan nie. Maar ons kyk maar, miskien is nog vroeg.
Ja, nee, kyk, is nou eers ek dink is nou so amper 20 voor 3. So
Ja.
ons het nog redelik tyd na 7 uur toe.
Ja,
So kom ons kyk, ek sit maar my stukkie wurmpie hier op.
Ja.
En kyk ons of ek die koning van Babel bly en of ek kan
bietjie aanbeweeg.
bietjie aanbeweeg daar nou.
Ja, nee, ek het ook 'n paar heavy plikke gehad nou. So 'n paar keer.
Ek het gesien hy stok van jou lyk of hy begin 'n koud kry uit
Ja.
bewe. En toe ewe skielik toe ek sien toe val jou hele rad om.
Ja, met die raadholder.
Met die radstand en al so.
Ja, ons kyk maar.
Ek hoop nie dit was 'n haai. Right, here we go.
Here we go. Okay, Etienne's gonna go cast quickly. See if we can do a night cast. Lekker. In the fish's mouth. So I would say that one's in the fish's mouth, eh?
I sure do hope so, Wayne. I think during the day it's easier to see where, obviously, where your line is going. I always check my line as I throw it. I check my line how it's running from the reel itself, and I know my colors is every 10 meter you change the color,
Yeah.
and that was about 6 or 7 colors. So let's say around about between 50 and 70 meters.
Yeah. Yeah, but there's
Hopefully.
a deep hole here, so we don't have to cast too far.
And
So,
here we go already.
Yeah, there we're getting bites already. Let's see.
Just gotta switch off here quick. And,
It's old thumbs and everything. Okay, just to give you guys a bit of an update. It's becoming light now. Sun, I don't think there's going to be a sun, but it's the sunrise. Just to give you an idea what happened from, let's say, when we arrived here, roughly 1 o'clock. And it's I think about 6 o'clock, or just after 6 now. Heavy, and I mean heavy pulls, tugs, and yeah, seems that these fish are eating with knives and forks, and showing us you know, they're not gonna bite our hooks. Unfortunately, we tried everything under the sun. Me and Etienne gave it our best shot so far, and yeah, it's a bit overcast. If I can maybe just show you guys here in the backdrop. Yeah, it's quite nippy and cold. I don't know if you guys can hear anything. It's quite windy, but hopefully the sound is not too bad. Yeah, these fish are just too clever for us. Thought yeah, we might between all the heavy pulls and tugs catch something more than 2 barbel that Etienne caught. But yeah, and maybe do a breakfast or so, and then we'll be on our way home. But yeah, we'll bring you guys update if anything comes out, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the bit that we could show you. And yeah, from my side, yeah, we had an enjoyable morning. Awesome fishing through the night, something else for a change. We always used to fishing in the day, and yeah, there wasn't any wind. It was perfect weather. It was a bit overcast, but we have had a ball of a time. We had a lot of action, massive pools, but yeah, unfortunately that's the way the fishing goes. Yeah, not always lucky, but we'll have our chance. We're not in big favor of the barbel. I had a little joke I made earlier on. I think Ethan's going to be upset if I mention it. Said he must leave Barbie now and stop playing as Ken. And yeah, Ken doesn't need a Barbie. But anyway, no, we had a ball of a time. Just to give you guys other updates, a lot of big things coming to the channel in the coming months. Yeah, I'm busy with a nice t-shirt for the channel as well. I'll show you guys in the coming weeks once it's finished. And yeah, if you guys would be interested in something like that, you're more than welcome to pop me either message in one of the videos, or yeah, maybe I'll give my WhatsApp number, yeah, so that you can let me know if you guys would be interested in something like that. But I'll show you the sample first on one of my videos, so that you can see if that's something that you guys would like. Please guys, if you don't mind, so many guys watching this channel, but yeah, I need your help subscribing and liking and sharing and so forth. So please, yeah, you guys are awesome, the guys that are already subscribed, and even the guys watching that are not subscribed. Please, if you can support me in that way, I'll really appreciate it. Okay guys, okay manne, Etienne gaan vir ons so update gee oor die hele oggend van let's say so 1 uur se kant tot nou is nou so 6:15, it's 6:15.
Well, it's getting colder now than it was before. The wind came up about a half an hour ago, so it's getting a bit colder. Again, quiet morning. Just the 2 barbels that I took out, that I said the next one that comes out, I'm going to send him back. He'll go and tell his family to stay away from my hooks. So yeah, we've been using bait, everything and
under
anything.
the sun, yeah. Worm, prawn,
Bloodworm, prawn, mussel, chokka,
sardine, harders, alles en ja.
Ek het al wat ek nog nie gebruik het is groenblare.
Groenblare, ja. Of teeblare.
So, yeah, but again, as I always say, is 'n lekker dag uit of 'n lekker oggend uit. We've been here just after 12.
Yeah.
The evening, of course.
Yeah.
And but yeah, as I say, the wind's starting to come up, overcast, getting a bit colder. So let's see for the next 3/4 of an hour.
Yeah.
It's still pulling now, it's pulling back now, so I think low tide is at around about 0740,
Yeah.
around about there.
Yeah.
Then it's fully low. So yeah, let's check, let's hope until then.
Yeah.
We chase the sun till it drops away, over hills where dragons play. In the night we seize the stars, unseen worlds, they're not that far. Riding waves of silver light, mysteries hidden from our sight. By the moon we take IQ, in every shade a brand new view. We're soaring high, we're flying free. Every heart beats a melody. No map to guide, just you and me. In this epic escapade we'll see. Through the forest, shadows deep, while the heart in rhythm beats, with whispers of the ancient lore. Every step reveals much more. We're soaring high, we're flying free. Every heart beats a melody. No map to guide, just you and me. In this epic escapade we'll see.
Okay guys, so we come to an end of this session today, myself and Wayne. It's still overcast. There's quite a few guys. I'm going to turn quickly. Guys came in earlier like crazy. I guess you can see down there quite a few guys that came in, but yeah, we've come to an end. And Wayne, your side?
Lekker day out, or must I say morning out, or from last night till this morning out. Wonderful day. Thanks my friends for a lekker session. Yeah, we didn't do much fish wise. Yeah, but the guys say the fish are a bit scarce at the moment. Cob is coming in, but yeah, not too much here on the Macassar side yet. So we thought we're gonna maybe get something, but yeah, at least we enjoyed it. Yeah, it was a bit dark, we couldn't bring much footage, but yeah, enjoying it anyway. Reason we on our way, and just want to greet you guys. Want to thank Etienne for bringing us out, and yeah, please like, share and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for everything, and see you guys next time.
Golden sun wakes up the sky. Dreams take flight, we rise so high. Heart beats loud.